Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel, Leg Up Ability, and welcome to a another edition for this week of our forest walk and talk. I know yesterday I didn't get a chance to do a forest walk and talk video this week, but I woke up this morning and I made an effort to make a video because I've been trying to make this video for ages, but the weather had never been with us, so I give you a reason to look at that. How beautiful is that? You know, like, I always wanted to make this type of video, a snow video. Yeah, I always wanted to make a snow video. I get so magical and beautiful up here when it snows. And I thought, what topic will I talk about today? And you know what? Let's talk about how the little things can help our moods. And how we should embrace the little things, particularly when this time of January, when we have the so-called January blues. We should try to do as many little things as possible to maintain our mental health. So yeah, I said, why not do a video on that? Because let's face it, it is only a little dusting of snow compared to other countries. I know. But it's still lovely and it's still pretty, and it's just amazing how the small things can really uplift your soul and your spirit. And yeah, I think that's what I wanted to talk about. Those little things in nature, such as these type of shit, how pretty, and what God does for you, yeah, because I can feel my spirit and my mental health and my overall well-being today is really upbeat and exciting. Just by the mere fact that I'm walking out in the forest with like a bit of snow in it, it goes more small things that can make a hell of a lot of difference. And I think we should concentrate on those small things in life and maximize them, maximize how many times we use them, how much, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, so I think that's the topic of my story, my video today, to appreciate the small things in life more. Because the big things come and go, but the small things are always there in the background. And I think we should just appreciate what we have. Like, come on guys, you take this and not be amazed by it. Like, yes, it's only a small dusting, but still it's so, the way the different colours collide with each other, and the feel of it and the crispness of the atmosphere creates such a, I don't know, such a lovely time, and it uplifts you. and it's currently snowing. So it's really exciting. Yes. So that's the topic of my video. Appreciate your little things in life. Your big things will always come and go. So I hope everyone is doing well this January and keeping themselves safe and enjoying life, you know, because as I was saying this to a friend yesterday, and my brother always tells me that we're not here for a long time, we're here for a good time. And that is so true, you know. We need to realize that more and appreciate the little things in life and maximize it. So we're not here for a long time. In the grand scheme of things, 8 years in your world, your Earth history is not a long time. So let's make the most of it, you know. Look at that. Oh god, that's pretty. Yeah. So yeah, as I was saying, appreciate your little things in life, because for two reasons really. The big thing, as I said before, the big things come and go, but the little things always stay around. But secondly, the little things can be so easy to do, you know, and achieve. Like just walking out in your local forest, and if you had weather like this, it is so beautiful. And also, as I said, it's dusting of snow compared to other countries. Yet, compared to yesterday, it's a totally different scenery and totally different atmosphere. Yeah, but I was in the same place. So it's just like those little things that can make a hell of a lot of difference in life. Because yesterday it was a dull, wet day, and now look at it. You know, look at that. So bright, well not bright, but the colours are so stark and contrasting. You know, and that is all due to a little thing, just a small dusting of snow. So that's an example of how the small things can help. Yeah, I highly recommend, if you can get out to your local forest today in the snow, please do. It is so beautiful out here. Yeah, so I'm going to enjoy my walk in the park, or walk in the forest now in the snow. And thank you very much for listening. I hope everyone is doing well, and thank you for the support you gave me this past few months. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. And I hope you continue to support me and join me on my adventures in the new year. Yeah, so mind yourself and take care of yourself, okay? I know January can't be a stressful month, but hang in there, you will get through this, and life is worth living, you know, enjoy life by enjoying the little things and appreciating the little things in life. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye.